I like to use this, which is the marketing flywheel. It's an inbound engagement model. It simplifies things for the people doing the marketing. It's impact driven, so you measure the success of every stage. And most importantly, it puts the customer at the center. So it breaks your customer journey down and your marketing process into 3 simple stages. The first stage is the attract stage. The job in the attract stage is to attract target doctors to your ecosystem and provide them with something valuable in return for their email address, a subscription, and some important information about them that helps you understand how the product can help them. And that's all you need to do at that stage. You don't need to sell your product. You don't need to talk about your product. You don't need to talk about what its benefits are, its features are, or its data are. You need to think of a way that you can attract people in, learn something about them, and use that to show them how the product will help them. So that's your first step. And you just need to have one really good strategy for that. The second part of your strategy is engage. This is where you take those subscribers, and I use that word subscriber very purposefully. This isn't people who have consented you to send them product information. These are subscribers. They expect regular, interesting engagement. You have a process where you take those subscribers and you nurture them and you introduce your product into problems that they have and show them how it can help. And the job at the end of that process is for them to try the product for the first time. And then the final section, delight, and this is something that's not very often talked about in pharma marketing, is where you focus on that customer and you increase the value of them. So instead of them dropping through the funnel and you continue to try and sell them and tell them about more data, you help them have success, so that you make sure that that first, second, third patient experience is successful and you provide them with materials and activities that help them do that. They can use your product more confidently, more often, in more difficult situations. They can help you attract other clinicians into the flywheel, and you've got the full circle.